Do you want to reply to someone notes on Messenger? You can reply to Facebook Messenger notes with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To reply to a note on Facebook Messenger, first, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you are in Messenger, look at the top of your chats list. You will see a row of profile pictures with small white text bubbles floating above them. These are the notes. Tap on the note of the person you want to reply to. A text input box will appear at the bottom of the screen. Type your reply message in this box. Once added, tap the send icon to send your reply. Once sent, your reply will appear as a normal direct message in your private chat with that person.